Hi guys, welcome back to another cook along. So I've been wanting to make MAFALDINE pasta for quite some time now, so today I gave it a go. So for those of you who are not familiar with this type of pasta, MAFALDINE pasta is a ribbon-like pasta named after Princess Mafalda of Savoy. Its signature wavy edges make it perfect for capturing and holding on to rich and creamy sauces like the one I'm going to make today. I have added some peri sauce and some peri seasoning to spice it up further, but you can choose whichever seasoning you would like to add. And as always, all of the ingredients I used are in the description below. So I have started by adding some medium peri seasoning to the chicken. I also added some mixed herbs followed by some peri sauce. I left that to marinate for 1 hour. Moving on, I've started to prepare my vegetables. I'm only going to use onions this time, but you can use bell peppers if you like. I've also minced some garlic and set that aside for later. So I'm now going to make the creamy sauce to go with this pasta. I'm going to saute some onions in a pan. The chicken I marinated earlier has been sitting for 1 hour. I'm now going to add that to the onions. I'm going to fry that on a high heat for 10 minutes. I'm also going to add the garlic. While I'm waiting, I'm going to boil the pasta until it's fully cooked through. After 10 to 15 minutes, the chicken is now cooked. I've now added the sweet corn and the peas. I gave that a good stir, then I added my favourite pasta sauce. I also added some tomato puree. So at this point I added a little bit of salt, some pepper and some peri seasoning. And to make it nice and creamy, I added half a tub of Philadelphia Light. I gave that a good stir and then I added some Wild Rocket. So the pasta sauce is now done. I'm going to add my pasta to this and give it a good stir. The pasta is now done. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of parsley on there. I can serve it like this or I can make it into a pasta bake. If you want to see how I make my pasta bake, just watch on. To make the pasta bake, I have transferred some pasta onto an oven dish. I have added a generous amount of cheese and placed this into my air fry oven for 10 minutes on 200°C. And there we have it guys, that's how I make my saucy pasta and also my pasta bake. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching guys, till next time.